Hi everyone, I'm Gwendolyn from Wyze here for another episode of Tips on Tuesday. This week we're going to cover the new microSD card formatting feature that Wyze is now equipped with and how to turn off your timestamp. Just like last week, if you aren't using firmware 3.9.2.30, Android app version 1.2.50, and iOS app version 1.2.60, you won't see these features. The first thing I want to cover is what it means to format a microSD card in the first place. Basically, when you format the card, it blanks the data already existing on the microSD card, removes corrupted data that would prevent use, and sets the card to a particular format so that devices will be able to use and recognize it. We use FAT32 because it has a fast and stable transfer rate for continuous streams of data. Many cameras use FAT32 as their default because you don't risk losing data over longer periods of time. It has a limit of 32 gigabytes, and that's why that's the maximum microSD card that we support. There is another format called Exfat that is pretty similar. It's for anything over 32 gigabytes, but it's not as stable for continuous data streams over long periods of time, and it doesn't transfer as quickly. This is why many companies, including us, don't use it. If you put an Exfat formatted card into your Wyze, the camera may recognize it, but the less stable nature of the formatting may cause data loss or loss of camera recognition over time. Wyze now has the power to format a microSD card. To do this, select the Wyze you want to use from the Devices tab, open up Camera Settings, and then go to Advanced Settings. At the end of the microSD card settings, there is an option for Format SD card. Just press the Format button to start the process. What this will do is have your Wyze format to FAT32 and remove pre-existing data. This is useful if you use a microSD card that has already been used and isn't recording properly. Please note that your Wyze has fewer resources than your computer, so it will take longer to format. That wraps it up for formatting, but while we're already in advanced settings, I'd like to take a quick second to point out the timestamp watermark setting. It's down here. And if you toggle this, you can turn on or off the timestamp for your recordings. You can't turn them off for previous recordings, but the future footage will follow this setting. Thanks for watching, folks, and tune in next time for Tips on Tuesday.